Today, not only will I be organizing this mess of a shelf, but I'll actually start our spring cleaning. And I'll be doing everything from washing the walls to the floorboards, everything. I always kind of like to start in our bathroom suite because it's right off of our bedroom and it's towards the back of the house, and kind of like to start towards the back and work my way forwards. I'll also be using essential oils in a couple different ways, including a bathroom DIY recipe. That'll be at the very end, so stay tuned. Here I just have some warm water in a bucket, and I'll mix that with about 3 tablespoons of the Orange Ajax dish soap, and I've added this purification in it. And the combination, I don't know how else to explain it other than it smells like Fruit Loops. Now, I've washed my walls down multiple times, but if you haven't washed your walls yet, you might want to do like a test patch somewhere where you're not going to see it, just to make sure that you're not going to like wash the paint or anything off your walls. And make sure you wring your rag out really well, otherwise you're going to be soaked by the end of it. What I'm using here is dusting spray that I made myself. I actually made that in another video. It was actually this one right here. So if you want the recipe, you'll find it there. Can you say yuck? Find it a lot easier if you just use a basket like this, so that you can just put everything in it and take it somewhere else and sort it. Oh, why do I have that up there? I don't know if you can actually tell by the video, but outside it's actually snowing, so hopefully this spring cleaning gets rid of the snow and the spring will start to show up. Clearing everything out is great until you realize what a mess you've made and you gotta go through it all. They say you're supposed to throw your makeup out every 6 months. I honestly couldn't tell you how long it's been since I've gone through the makeup. It's probably been a couple years, so trying to look to see if there's expiration dates and just some of the stuff that I don't even really use anymore. It's just getting thrown out now. I honestly use very little makeup, so even the fact that I'm keeping this much is probably too much because I probably won't even use it. I just have a hard time throwing out makeup. I mean, there's some of it that's brand new I haven't even used yet. Is there anybody else that has problems just throwing out something that's brand new? Does anybody know how to get these clear little bags cleaned out? I mean, I tried and tried. I got it a little bit better, but it's still kind of yuck. I don't know. It was pretty cheap. Maybe I'll just throw it away and get a new one. Unless one of you knows a better idea. I thought I hit the record button when I was making it, but apparently I didn't hit the record button until after I was finished and getting ready to clean it up. But here's the recipe for the poopouri that I made for our little bathroom. And here you see it all cleaned out. It's got everything out. All the walls are cleaned. I forgot to hit the record when I was cleaning the tub and toilet and everything. So yeah, but here it is all cleaned out. Everything's completely emptied. I am going to start loading everything in. As you can see on this shelf that I started putting everything back in, and it's much more organized the way it is now. But I also am going to do a decorate with me so that you guys can see me loading everything back in and how good it looks. But here's a little bit of a sneak peek of the before and the after. But be watching for the decorate with me video.